Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to do a food prep video. Basically, the reason why I'm filming this video today is because I have four shifts in a row that I have to do. I've just been released to nights on my own. So my residency of 12 weeks is now over. It was actually more like 14 to 16 weeks because I had so many classes in between. So during night shift, the cafeteria at our hospital is not open, and neither are any of the restaurants around the hospital. So I have to make my meals. I am forced into it now. There is no way out of it. If I want to eat during a 12-hour shift, I have to bring my own food. I only get one 30-minute break for lunch and then two smaller 15-minute breaks. I'm just gonna pretty much bring what I think I'm gonna need, and if it's too much, I'd rather have it that way than have too little. I'm gonna be cooking mostly with chicken because that is what my favorite meat is. Thank you to Green Chef for sponsoring today's video. I will be using them for the main meals because they're extremely easy to make and they come with the ready-made instructions, all the ingredients ready to go, ready to cook. You just have to chop things up and cook it. They are a certified organic company. If you guys aren't familiar with them, you can choose between so many different types of meals. I personally like the protein-packed one, but they also have keto, paleo, vegan, vegetarian, Mediterranean, fast and fit, gluten-free. There's a lot of options. The reason I am using them today is because I don't have to go grocery shopping and I don't have to think about anything. Imagine working 6 hours straight, you're starving, and you just want to heat up a meal and enjoy it. That's what you get with Green Chef. Heat it up in the microwave. I can sit down, I can enjoy my food, and it tastes just as good as it did when I first made it. And for me, I don't think I'm the best cook. I feel like I'm very good at following recipes. I could never make up something myself, but I'm good with recipes that I can easily follow. I really just don't want to be in this kitchen for more than 2 hours tops, cooking everything. And so I think this is going to be my best option if I want to continue making this process as easy as possible for like one day of the week. Just get it over with and get it done, and I'll be ready to go for my shifts. You can use my code. I'm going to put it here, but also in the description box, and that'll give you 60% off plus free shipping on your first box. You guys can go to greenchef.com for more details. Okay, so the first thing that I decided to make was the baked ricotta chicken with pesto green beans. Unpacking the bag, you can see that the ingredients are already pre-made and pre-portioned. In a separate bowl, I'm putting the ricotta cheese and also mixing in the roasted red peppers, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then stirring to combine everything. And then you can just set that aside because that is what is going to go on top of the chicken when we bake it. So then I'm going to trim off the ends of the green beans, which is going to be my side vegetable for this dish. Once you've finished cutting up those, pat your chicken breasts dry after rinsing them off, and make sure to season both sides well. We preheated the oven already to 425. You can put the ricotta cheese mixture on top and then the Parmesan cheese and let it cook for 18 minutes. While the olive oil gets hot in the pan for the green beans, I started on my boiled eggs. So for those, I just tap each side till I hear a little crack, and then I put it in the pot as it starts to boil. So you want to let it boil depending on how you want the inside to be, either runny or not. I did mine for about 5 to 7 minutes. Let the green beans cook over medium to high heat. I seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper, as well as this basil pesto with Parmesan. So go ahead and stir everything in, and then those are ready to eat. By now, your chicken should be ready to take out of the oven. Make sure you cut it open to see that it is cooked all the way through, and mine was, so the 18 minutes was perfect. And for the jasmine rice, I did 2 cups of jasmine rice, and for each cup, I do 1.5 cups of water, so it was 3 cups of water total. So the eggs are ready, and as soon as they finish boiling and the timer goes off, I immediately put them into ice cold water and let them sit for a few minutes. And I'm gonna pack up my other things, which is carrots and ranch dressing and bagels with the Laughing Cow cheese. These are gonna be sort of like my snacks during the day. or if I mean during the night, if I have time to eat. And then my other snack option is yogurt with fruit. So for the Light and Fit Greek yogurt, it has 12 grams of protein in it. I have the coconut flavor. For that one, I like to eat that with a banana. And then I also have the strawberry cheesecake flavor, and I like to eat that with strawberries. The eggs should peel pretty well. And after that, I made the garlic and herb chicken and sun-dried tomatoes as my meal for the other 2 days. So for the first step, it says to soak the sun-dried tomatoes in water. I went ahead and smashed and cut up the garlic as well as the scallion and the kale. Over a medium saucepan with a little bit of olive oil, you can go ahead and put in the chicken strips as well as the sun-dried tomatoes that have soaked for a few minutes, roasted red peppers, the garlic, some paprika and herb blend, salt, and a pinch of pepper. As you guys can see, these meals are super easy to make. I would definitely recommend them. You can use my code Kayleigh60 for 60% off your first box, as well as free shipping is included in that too. Go to greenchef.com for more details. The link will be in the description box. And then the last thing is to add in the cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of water. Then you just want to go ahead and cook up the kale and garlic and scallions. Once that is finished, you can put in the white rice and Parmesan cheese. All right, and the last meal that I made is one that I always make for myself. It is shrimp, sweet potato, and broccoli. So I first start by melting some butter in a medium-high heat saucepan. Season your defrosted shrimp with garlic, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and olive oil. Mix it all around, and then I cook it for a few minutes on each side till it's done. I usually like my shrimp to be kind of crispy, so by that time, like the butter and whatever water happened to be in there from the defrosting will have like evaporated. And for the sweet potatoes, I poke holes in them with a knife and microwave them 2 minutes on each side or until they're done. 4 minutes with a little bit of water for the frozen broccoli. Guys, so this is the finished meal prep. So let me just tell you what I'm going to be having every single day. Get a breakfast break where I'm going to have 3 eggs, and there's a toaster in the break room. I'm going to toast half a bagel with these little laughing cows. These are the light laughing cows. They're pretty good. Then I get to have lunch for 30 minutes, which is going to be one of these from Green Chef that I made with you guys. Then I get another 15-minute break where I'm going to do a Light and Fit Greek yogurt, and I'm going to eat it with this one, the coconut with bananas, and then I have the strawberry or cheesecake flavor, which I will eat with strawberries. Then usually on the way home, I'm like starving my butt off, and I feel like I'm gonna die and I need some type of snack in the car, so that's probably where these are gonna come in, carrots with ranch dressing. And then when I get home, I do like to eat before I go to bed. I only have 2. I wish I had 4, but I just didn't have enough food. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do on the last 2 days, but I've got shrimp, broccoli, and sweet potatoes. I always bring my Alani Nu water bottle and I just fill it up there. I'm going to put in the baked ricotta chicken with pesto and green beans, the yogurt with fruit, I have half a bagel with my laughing cow, and some ranch dressing with carrots. Oops, almost forgot the eggs. All right guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy that I'm gonna have some really good meals to be eating during my shift. Honestly, having good food makes a huge difference in how your shift's gonna go. Thank you so much to Green Chef for sponsoring today's video. Please go check them out at greenchef.com, and don't forget to use my coupon code for 60% off. I'm gonna put it here and also in the description box. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you want more meal preps. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.